going through the program in custody, but it means getting through the aftercare and everything else successfully. If you do all of that, then you're still on these deferred probations. You still don't have felony convictions on your record. This is, again, the opportunity of your lifetime right now for you to make the changes and do the right thing. If you don't, and you come back in here, then you are going to end up with 2 felony convictions, and you're going to end up going to TDC for up to 10 years in one case and state jail prison for up to 2 in that case. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me explain something else. I am also now making it a condition of your probation that you treat the staff and the correctional officers at our jail and at SAFEP and wherever you are with respect, and you follow all of the rules when you're incarcerated. That means if I get another incident report before you get to state jail, before you get to SAFEP, it's already a violation of your probation. They're going to let me know, and you're never even going to make it to SAFEP. You're going to be right back in here and looking at going to prison. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So the way you're talking to them at our jail, you cannot keep doing that. You cannot keep arguing. You can't keep fighting. You can't keep saying, F that, I don't care, things like that. Okay. And you're looking at me like you're confused, that maybe you didn't do these things, but this is what I have. Every time you act up, every time you tell someone, if you're going to send me out, just do it, F that, or whatever it is, that's disrespectful.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. They're just trying to go there and do their job every day. Hopefully someday that's what you want to do. Get out of jail, go to work, and not have somebody treating you like this when you're at your job. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you'll sign some paperwork today for SAFEP, and okay, I guess just obviously by what I'm looking at, that seems, am I looking at the right thing? Dakota Chapman? The first violation is that he committed the offense of murder?
That has been abandoned.
That was not.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay,
I'm sorry.
thank
Maybe
you.
we should have started with that.
We're just gonna go to SAFEP and,
No.
okay,
That
so,
was done in December.
here's. Let's do this. I'd like to go ahead and go through the motions, get pleas of true or not true to the remaining counts. And then obviously if you guys have an agreement, we'll look at that, but I think I want to go through and have those pleas on here.
And that came at the recommendation of his supervisor, who
Okay.
I'm sure has much more information for the court as well.
That's good. Thank you. If you want to print this section, I'll just do the first one on here. All right. Well, he waived the formal reading of the motion in each case. Mr. Chapman, in clause number 23, DCCR 1077, I have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. This shows that you were placed on probation May 6th of 2024 for the offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle, a 3rd-degree felony, and that was a 5-year deferred probation. Is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And then in clause number 23, DCCR 1078, I also have a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. This shows that you were placed on probation May 6th of 2024 for the offense of accident involving injury, a state jail felony, and that was a 5-year deferred probation. Is that also correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And so the state is going to abandon each case count 1, correct?
Correct, Judge, based on the comments of the grand jury.
So, Mr. Chapman, in each case, the motions allege you violated your probation. Count 2 in each case alleges that you failed to work faithfully at suitable employment and provide verification of that. And is that true or not true?
True.
Count 3 in each case alleges that you provided a urine sample March 12th of 2025 that tested positive for cocaine. Is that true or not true? Count 4 alleges that you provided a sample September 3rd of 2025 that tested positive for methamphetamines and amphetamines. Is that true?
True.
Count 5 in each case alleges that you admitted to your probation officer to using the illegal drug ecstasy December 3rd of 2025. Is that true or not
True.
true? I'm sorry. Count 6 alleges in each case that you were at a location other than your residence at approximately 1:53 a.m. December 21st of 2025. And is that true or not true?
True.
Count 7 in each case alleges that you failed to successfully complete the defensive driving course as ordered. Is that true or not true?
True.
Count 8 in each case alleges that you are behind in your court assessed fees. And is that true or not true?
True.
Did you enter your pleas of true in each case to counts 2 through 8 freely and voluntarily? And did you plead true to those counts because they're actually true? So it's my understanding, Mr. Chapman, that the recommendation is that I continue your probation and order you to enter and successfully complete the special needs SAFEP. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
Is there any reason to get any type of pre-sentence report or update?
Only at the court's discretion, Judge. The officer, Ms. Valier, has already prepared for the court the continuation and modification of that special condition if the court would like that to be signed off on today. Otherwise, I'm sure she'd be happy to do a quick update.
If it's her recommendation, we'll just go ahead and go forward.
I
So,
think that was, I'm sorry to interrupt, I think that was done prior to count 1 that we see, which obviously caught everyone's attention and just took that immediately off the table. But
Right.
since that was no build, I think that's when she finds herself back in the same position.
so Mr. Chapman, you're getting your second chance today.
Yes, ma'am.
There's not going to be a third. Okay. You need to take advantage of this. I don't know what happened. The night of December 21st of 25, obviously it was no build as far as the offense, but you were clearly somewhere you shouldn't have been doing some things you shouldn't have been doing, right?
Yes.
If you had been home during curfew, you never would have been charged with anything. There wouldn't have been any issue of whether or not you did anything, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I want to make sure you understand if I go along with this and send you to SAFEP, you're going to get some tools so that you can hopefully stop using drugs, do the right thing, live your life like the rest of us and not end up in prison. Do you understand all that?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So at this time in each of your cases,
I don't know how the court would feel about an extension, Judge, based on the age.
yeah. So at least in the evading.
Okay.
I'm going to do that. I'm also we're going to talk a little about the jail incident reports as well in just a
Yes,
minute.
ma'am.
So I'm going to find in each of your cases that you entered your pleas of true to counts 2 through 8 freely and voluntarily. Find those counts true, find sufficient evidence in each of your cases to revoke your probation. But I'm going to go along with this agreement today, and I'm going to continue your probation in each of your cases. In clause number 23 DCCR 1077, I am going to extend your probation by 2 years. And I'm going to order in each of your cases that you enter and successfully complete SAFEP. That obviously means, I think that's it as far as adding a condition, the condition. So add 2 years in the one case and the condition with regard to being successful and not being disrespectful.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you. You can go back with the bailiff. And here's that. Derek Corbin.
Judge, on this one that I previously was evaluated for competency. He is competent. I got a new offer from the state on him. I was gonna ask him, let me sit him 1 week so I got some family to talk to him. He's a little better, but it's still some issue.
We'll reset Derek Corbin 1 week.
1 week.
Velma Gilbert.
Thelma Gilbert.
No, I didn't. I still need to, I'm gonna go through all those cases. Okay. Yeah. That's a lot. That's good.
Good morning. Are you Thelma Gilbert?
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Gilbert, in cause number 26, DCCR 0502 is charged with credit debit card abuse. 26, DCCR 0503, charged with burglary of a habitation. 0504, charged with credit debit card abuse. 0505, charged with credit or debit card abuse. 0506, charged with credit or debit card abuse. 0507, charged with fraudulent use or possession of identifying information. And 0508, charged with theft of property. And what is the announcement?
Judge, I've gone through most of these cases. I've talked to Ms. Gilbert about it. Also about her other situation yesterday it's going on. She is currently on parole. So there's a parole hold on dealing with her as well. I just need to finish up going through a little of some of that stuff. I haven't been on it that long,
No,
but and considering that the offer will be something substantial as far as
Sure.
the resolution, I just need a little time with it.
all right, so I'm gonna just do a normal reset. That'll give Mr. Lewis time to get through everything and all of the discovery and all of your cases, go through that with you, and then we'll get an announcement at the next court date.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can go back with the bailiff.
Thank you.
So